girlfriend.
You have a girlfriend?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Lima.
Belima?
No, Lima.
Alima. Oh. Well, when did you meet her?
He's gonna go to school.
You're gonna go to school?
Yes.
What grade are you in?
Yes.
3rd grade?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you're so smart.
That's my mouth.
1,
Let's count in Spanish. You know, ready?
uno, dos. Count in Spanish.
He's
Look
doing
it.
this.
Look it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ready? Let's sing it.
Let me see. Come over here.
Oh, that's how I'm not. Ready?
It's a meow.
I'm gonna do the sound. Ready? Adam, come here, visit me. Run! Run, Adam! Run! It's right there! Adam!
There's bees in the bushes. Oh no.
Come on, Adam. Show me what you got.
Sing the song, Adam.
There's a party in my tummy. Say so yummy, so yummy. Ah!
Are you gonna be a baseball player, Adam?
He plays
Yeah.
baseball.
Okay.
He's in T-ball.
You're in T-ball? Oh my gosh.
He says, I hit home run.
Ready?
Don't hit your head, don't hit your head, don't hit your head, don't hit your head.
Throw a fastball. Ready, set. Do you have to go pee?
Well, you do? You'll take you?
Ah! Wow. You're crazy.
Where Adam's at right now reminds me of the Sandlot.
Ooh, bet you didn't think I was gonna catch it, huh? Ready? That was weak sauce.
I got it.
Tell her no, Curdy, no. It all hits him in the face. So playtime's over.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Oh. What happened? The ball hit you, I know. You want to record now?
I won't catch the ball.
Okay.
No, Nate, you. I'm going to get it from her.
She's going to get it from me, Adam.
Come on.
Tell her no. I can't. Adam, I fell. She hurt me. Hurt her, Adam. Get her. Beat her up, Adam. Beat her up. She hurt my foot.
Oh!
Kick her in her foot. Go more over there so I can see both of you guys. But you're in her face, Adam.
You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're nice warm bed. You just remember what your old past said. Boy, you got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got trouble, and I got them too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together, see it through, 'cause you've got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. Now, some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am, big and stronger too, maybe, but none of them will ever love you the way I do. It's me and you, boy, and as the years go by, our friendship will never die. You're gonna see it's our destiny. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.